Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is the types of sentences. The topic is very important. Today I will tell you that how many types are there uh, for a sentence. So there are four types of sentences, that are declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamative sentences. Declarative sentences furthermore convey two types of sentences: positive sentence and negative sentences. So they cover statement, and they end with the word, the punctuation mark, period, or full stop. The second type of sentences is interrogative sentences. So because they ask some information, they end with question mark. Furthermore, I will tell you that there are two types of interrogative sentences. One is yes no questions, and the second one is information question. We will discuss later on it in detail. And the third types of sentences are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences, so they give little bit command. They give us command, request, order. You know, they convey this sort of messages. So these sentences end usually on full stop and sometimes on sign of exclamation. Last but not least, the fourth type of sentences are exclamative sentences, because they show exclamation, they show surprise, they show wonder. So they end at the sign of exclamation. So these were the four types of sentences. Now we will go in its detail. The first type of sentences are declarative sentences. Yes, the name is declarative sentences. So declarative sentence make a statement. They make a statement either in positive or negative. For example, if I say he goes to school, so this is a statement. Or he does not go to school, so this is also a statement. So statement can be of two types: positive statement or negative statement. So they tell us something, they give us information. In declarative sentences we get information, and the usual word order, its syntax, the word order is, the usual word order of declarative sentence is subject plus verb. Subject will be bringing in the start, like I go for the morning walk daily. I go for the morning walk daily. So this is called declarative sentences. I don't pluck the flower. I don't pluck the flower. This is a negative sentence. So in this declarative sentence, subject followed by verb combination will be there. So the second type of sentence is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence, so this asks some information, it asks us something. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is, let's have a look, WH word plus auxiliary helping verb plus subject plus verb. This is the usual word order for writing and speaking. So as I have already told you, that there are two types of interrogative sentences. One is yes no question, and the second one is information question. In yes no question, we start the question with the helping verb. Like if I say, is he a teacher, is she a doctor, are you an engineer? So these all sentences are starting with helping verb, and its answer can be given in yes or no. That's why they are called yes no question. But on the other hand, the second type of questions are information question. These questions start from WH word or the word how. If I say, what is your name? What is your name? So the sentence is demanding some information. So the usual word order I have already shared with you is, WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. If I say, what are you writing in your diary? What are you writing in your diary? So this word order is followed. So the third type of sentences are imperative sentences. imperative sentence give us some command, and it ends sometimes on full stop and sometimes on sign of exclamation. Let's see the sentences and the usual word order. Imperative sentence give us command, they tell us to do something. The usual word order for the imperative sentence is base verb. Base verb. We use verbs in the start. Like I say, go there, sit here, don't go in the rain, don't drive so violently. So when the sentence when the sentences are started with the direct verbs, so they will be, they will be imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. So they give us order, and they sometimes, show request. If I say, please bring me a glass of water, so the word please is there, so it is showing request. So this kind of sentences are imperative sentences. And the fourth type is exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentences. These sentences show surprise, show wonder. If I say, what a beautiful flower, what a beautiful scenery. So these kind of, sentences are showing exclamative sentences, because they are showing exclamation. These sentences end on the sign of exclamation. Exclamative sentences express strong emotion and surprise. The usual word order for the exclamative sentences is what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb, or how, adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. So this was the usual word order. If I say, what a beautiful day today, amazing performance by the players. So this kind of sentences, what an amazing performance by the players. So these kind of sentences which show the sudden surprise feelings, that show the exclamative sentences. These are called exclamative sentences. So these were the four basic types of sentences that we shared. Hopefully you have understood it, but if there would be any confusion, you can ask this question. For getting more lecture like this, you can click the bell icon, and so that you can get the lecture earliest. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are around. Allah Hafiz.